Our next poet we all know and love is Mankh. Mankh.
It's October 19th. And it says this book, lovely book, wonderful thing, is about relationships. I wanted to mention, because it reminds me of the Native Americans have a phrase called all my relations, which means that we're connected to everything. The trees, birds, everything. October 19th. This is called Shopping to the Sounds of Love. 10 a.m. at the supermarket, and I am shopping to the sounds of Barry White. Can't get enough of someone's love. And as much as I groove his sultry vibe, I think it too early for such music. The day needs to slide into view with a certain level of tranquility. And I do know why they play such music, because a bouncy shopper is bound to joyously and with a certain oystered appetite toss more items into the aphrodisiac cart. I mean, it would take half the day to shop to the ambient sounds of Brian Eno. But you know, maybe that's what we need, to shop at a slower pace, to linger in the aisles, eyeing potential lovers, to drift as if stoned from shelf to shelf, reading labels and laughing, no pushing or curt glances after someone grabbed the last bunch of organic bananas from Ecuador, taking time to marvel at the talking heads of broccoli, more alive than TV news anchors, instead of racing home to realize that even at 11 a.m. I do want more love and a handful of cookies.